Oh, this seat's way too high, dude. I gotta lower this fucking seat. I don't know why I got this thing up so high. Oh, that's a lot better there. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot to hook up my... hold on a minute, Ivy. Don't go. Don't leave. I forgot to put the map thing on here to tell us how far we went. Okay, you ready? Yeah. Okay, go ahead. I'll catch up with you. I just got to get this recording started. See, this is all fenced in over here. You see that? Hey, Ivy. Ivy.
What?
Who in their right mind would be out here walking?
What?
I said, who in their right mind would be out here walking? Is this bro drunk or something or what? What's I don't know, man. Yeah. So far we went 2,500 feet. I said so far we went 2,500 feet. Look at that old joint. Yeah, I'll be walking. You can make it. Well, this is a real steep hill here. Okay, we're going across the river. Huh? Yep. Yep, this is exactly what I'm looking for right here. I said this is exactly what I'm looking for. There ain't even no gravel here, dude. This is all concrete. This is all blacktop. No, bro. You're not tough, man. You gotta toughen up, Ivy.
Well, dude, I ain't been riding on a bike or a motorcycle.
What do you think I've been? I just bought these.
My eyes watering.
Okay, look. We made it 1.4 miles. We'll get to 2 miles and we'll take a break. Have a smoke break. We'll just get to the 2 miles first, okay? Hello, hello. Oh, look, there's a picnic area. This is definitely the scooter place right here. Hey, Rich. Hey, we gotta bring the scooter down here, man. I gotta bring the scooter here.
Yeah, there ain't no gravel.
Right, there ain't no gravel. I can go all day on the scooter down here.